1-0, a playoff game, a lot of contact, a lot of 50-50 balls. Not a great rhythm for both teams on offense. We are 1-0. This is the only thing that counts, and hopefully, like in every series, we'll raise our level from game to game. So we have less than 46 hours to regenerate, to be ready for the battle. They are going to come out very, very with a lot of energy, a lot of intensity out of the locker rooms. They play home, and we need to cope with that. We need to be ready. We need to be better, especially on offense.
1-0, atkrintamosios varžybos, tad daug kontakto, daug 50 ant 50 kamuolių, nebuvo daug ritmo abiejų komandų puolime, bet svarbiausia, kad pirmaujame 1-0 ir tikiuosi, kad su kiekvienomis rungtynėmis kelsime savo žaidimo lygį. Turime 46 valandas pasiruošti kitoms rungtynėms, kurios vyks svečiuose, tad varžovai žais namuose ir tikrai į aikštelę žengs su daugiau energijos.
Coach, what turned the game around in the fourth quarter? What was the key to the victory in the fourth quarter?
I believe that we had a good approach to the game defensively the whole game. The fourth quarter, we just were a little bit more disciplined, and we moved the ball and we put the ball where we were supposed to do it in the other three quarters. Anyway, it was below average offensive game. So we were good on defense the four quarters. For the whole game, we found just the right plays in the last quarter. When they tied the game, after having a horrible third quarter, we found a way to do the right things.
Kas įvyko ketvirtajame kėlinyje, kas buvo svarbiausia pergalės priežastis. Turėjome tikrai gerą požiūrį visose rungtynėse, kalbant apie gynybą, o ketvirtajame kėlinyje pavyko ir puolime sužaisti su daugiau disciplinos, geriau judinti kamuolį. Tad bendrai kalbant, tikrai žaidėme gerai gynyboje visas rungtynės, o ketvirtajame kėlinyje suradome tinkamą žaidimą ir puolime.
Jonava grabbed more offensive rebounds than you, and what led to that?
Sorry, did you see the stats?
Yes, 12-7, I guess.
Did you see the stats of the game or not?
Yes, I saw.
So the offensive rebounds are coming from what?
Missed shots.
So when you shoot with 36%, you
Well,
have more
I
opportunities.
I just asked, yeah.
I believe that in the first half we were bad. I believe that we get better in the second half.
Klausimas buvo apie Jonavos atkovotos kamuolius puolime, kurių jie sugriebė daugiau nei žalgiriečiai. Tad žvelgiant į statistikos protokolą, galima pamatyti, kad varžovai atakavo 36% taiklumu, tai reiškia, kad ir turėjo daugiau galimybių atsikovoti kamuolį puolime.
What are the first news about Isaiah Wong's injury?
I believe he just twisted the ankle, and I believe that I expect him to be ready to play.
Vongas tiesiog pasitempė čiurną, bet tikimės, kad jis galės žaisti artimiausias rungtynėse.
Coach, season of Žalgiris looks really hard from my point of view. You have a lot of intense games in EuroLeague, then regular season ends, then you have a bit of a gap, and then you need to ramp up for the playoffs. Is it hard to do that?
Do you want to know what is the hardest thing for me?
Of course.
To play a playoff game with 2,000 people in the gym. This is the hardest thing. All the rest are really expected. We managed very well after the end of the EuroLeague to put everybody in shape. And now what we miss is a bit of tension. The tension comes. We are used to play home with 15,513 per people around. I believe this is the right now. Almantas will correct me with his psychology. Okay. The thing is that this is the thing that I miss. All the rest are really part of the business. Good games, bad games. Today, did we play good? No. Did we control the game defensively? Yes. I expect that we are going to be better, but it's game after game after game. We need sometimes a spark, and I believe that you work hard, you finish the regular season 34-2, okay, you earn the home court advantage. For what?
You talked about.
Sorry.
Atsiprašau.
Klausimas buvo, kas yra sunkiausia šio sezono metu turėjus ir sunku Eurolygos sezoną, tada pertraukėlė ir dabar atkrintamasis. Tai treneris atsakė, kad sunkiausias dalykas yra žaisti atkrintamasis rungtynės su 2000 žiūrovų salėje. Visa kita yra tai, ko tikimės, bet po Eurolygos pabaigos komandą ruošiame atkrintamosiam ir dabar šiek tiek trūksta tos kibirkšties, nes buvome įpratę žaisti su 15 000 žiūrovų, o dabar to nėra. Baigi sezoną 34 pergalėm ir 2 pralaimėjimais, tad turi turėti namų pranašumą, kurį būtų galima geriau išnaudoti.
EuroLeague announced that you will be getting at least 2 more games with 15,000 in the audience by announcing that there will be 20 teams next season. What are your thoughts about that?
10 double weeks. This is my thought.
Do you think I will follow up? Okay.
Eurolyga paskelbė, kad kitą sezoną žais 20 komandų, kokios jūsų mintis apie tai, tai treneris sakė 10 dvigubų Eurolygos savaičių.
Is it fair to the players? And also, is it good for basketball?
Man, you ask me things that I don't know who can answer. First of all, nobody knows how it's going to look because it's the first time. I believe that for sure there will be, the first impact will be on domestic leagues. Many teams, every team is going to struggle more, for sure. It's the only unfair things is that the two things cannot go together. I understand that in this moment for what is happening in the basketball community with NBA and all this thing, EuroLeague has to do something. Okay, EuroLeague is definitely the best basketball product with the NBA. Okay, I don't say who's better. Okay. So I believe that what's happening is physiological. The thing is that then, you have domestic leagues that doesn't come alone with the things, So there are teams that the first thing that will happen when the schedule will come out, everybody's going to see when they play EuroLeague teams after a double week. This is the first thing that's going to happen. Is this fair for the players? It's not. But is the world fair? We have just to find a way to navigate this.
Ar šis komandų padidėjimas teisingas žaidėjo atžvilgiu, ar tai yra gerai krepšiniui? Iš tikrųjų nežinom, kaip viskas atrodys, nes tai bus pirmas kartas su tiek daug rungtynių. Turbūt labiausiai pasijaus vietinėse čempionatuose, kur vis daugiau komandų striks. Kas nėra teisinga, kad šie du dalykai negali būti suderinami. Suprantame, kad su visais krepšinio pasaulio dalykais vykstančiais aplink Eurolygą turi kažką daryti, o tada prisideda vietiniai čempionatai ir tikrai atsiradus tvarkaraštį visi žiūrės visų pirma, su kuo tek žaisti po 2 savaičių.